Hi, welcome to the another video. So in this video I will show you how you can apply for the PCO license online, and you can request for the application pack. So you need certain kind of requirements to fulfill to apply for the PCO license. So please check my other video where I explain step by step, but here I'm gonna apply the PCO application. So you must be 21 years old. You should have a UK license. It must be 3 years, and there's other requirements. Other tests you will do later when you apply. So don't worry about the topographical test, English test, other test. And if you have a degree, do not worry. The TFL will take their own test. So if you have a degree, you can't. This will not accept. So you will do the English language test. So first you need to register. You must be on this website. I will put the link of this website into my description of this video. If you go below near the comments, then you can click and you can carry on. And you can do in mobile, and my advice, do on the computer. But if you're good in mobile, you just save your documents in mobile in files, because you have to upload the documents, your other things as well, passport, driving license, picture. So you can save into your documents. If it's iPhone, you can save into the files. Android, you know how you can use your phone. So first you need to register. Click on the register over here, then just fill the details. So select please personal. You're not doing business authorized third party. So then you just fill the details, then register. So when you register, then you will be able to log in. So click login, then put your email and the password which you just put it to register, then login. Okay, so when you log in, is look like this, and this is awesome because you can manage your booking here. You can track your application. Before was not there. Means when you apply, and after a couple of maybe week or month, sometimes it takes 6 months, you will see when you click on manage booking, then you will be able to book your test, and you can cancel, you can change it as well. Before you have to email them, it was long process. Now we're gonna apply for the application now. So we're gonna go to the service, and all the services here. Apply for a new PHV driver license, apply for the new taxi drivers. So we are for the PHV driver. So we're gonna click apply now here. So try to read all this instruction because it's going to be important for you. Yeah, because I received too many messages about these questions. If you read it, and this HMRC code, if you are new applicant, so you don't need it. But if you doing a taxi in another city, then you must need this one, and if you completed 1 year. But if you're new applicant, you don't need HMRC code. Other test you need later on. They are asking about the test here. When you apply, then you will do it. Yeah, then just let's say get started. Here they're asking about the DBS. You should have a DBS, then you should start this application. But the system is updated now. You can save and exit, and you can come back anytime. So it's better to scan this one to do the DBS if you want to do it. But I make another video how to do the DBS. You should have this link. So we're gonna go to save and next, and mandatory questions. We have to provide all these ones. Yeah, so are you at least 21 years of? Yes. So have you held the UKRE stating driving license for the last 3 years? Yes. Have you undergone an enhanced criminal record check through the DBS? Yes. You must subscribe. Yeah, you must subscribe to the DBS update service as well. Do you have right to leave to the work? Yes. You will need to meet the requirements for the yes, and just save and next. Now here they are saying the photo, you have to upload the photo, and there's after that they're asking for your details as well. It's very simple. So just click browse, and you should have on your desktop or files. Upload from there. If I do this one, and because I save on my desktop. It should be there. So the next page, they're asking for your driving license details. Select driving license DVLA and enter the number. Yeah, it's simple. You're gonna put your share code as well. It's very simple. So to get the share code, just write it down in Google. DVLA share code. Put your driving license details, and you need your NI number. You will get it. So they ask you what date you pass your driving license. So this date should be at the back of your driving license. Where is the car? There is a bicycle, motorbike, car. So in front of the car there should be a date. That is your passing date. Now the next step, they're asking for driving license details. So now you need to front and back side of DVLA driving license. Just you should save on your mobile or on the laptop and then upload here. So here you can view and upload more as well. Just save and press next. In my case, because you can make a PDF file, or you can take the picture in the front and the back, and you can upload one by one. So here they're asking for your UK or EE national. Some people have a share code. Let's see what they're gonna ask for that. So in my case, I have a refugee status. So they're asking for which document you need to provide: a copy of the passport, a biometric residence card. So here they're asking for the national insurance number. So here, whatever document you have, you should have a share code as well. You should upload the share code. And if you're a refugee status, you should have a travel document. You can upload that one. Yeah. So if you have a biometric or check code, so you should upload your passport and the check code, right to work check code. If you have I think EU or UK passport, they will only ask for one document when you're gonna select it. So the next question, this is very, very important as well. Have you lived in a country other than the UK for one or more continuous period of 3 months? So in the past 10 years, if you live more than 3 months in any of the country, so you're gonna mention here as well. So if you click yes, then you have to TPH 205. You need to download this one, and you need to fill it and just read it. So you can download this form from here, and then you have to fill this one. You need to print this out, fill it, and then you need to upload. I think the next option, let's see. So you're gonna put all the details, and you're gonna put the good character certificate you're gonna get from your country, and so if you press no, then you no need to do anything. I'm just doing application at the moment, so just pressing no. But this is the 3 month. The past 10 year, if you live outside the UK, it's going to be continuous 3 month. Let's say you go for 1 month, come back, it's not going to be like that. Continuous 3 month, then you should provide that one. So next will be is asking for the DBS now. Have you applied for the enhanced DBS certificate through TFL authorized DBS service provider? Yes. DBS reference number, confirm the subscription. You're gonna put everything over here. So before putting this number, I'm gonna say confirm your subscription to the DBS. Subscribe as a part of DBS check for this application. So if you doing the new application, so you done this one as a part of this application, but if you renewing it, then you should select other one. Subscribe as a part of DBS check for this application. You're doing new application. So when you put all these details, then they're asking for to upload that DBS. When you apply for the DBS, you should have a copy as well. Then you can upload over here. So when you upload that, then you press next and save. They're asking for the now these test. So you will do this when you apply, then they will send you to book the appointment. So just confirm that you will be able to do this test. Yeah, just confirm this one as well. And the language one, yeah. So they're asking for all three tests: topographical, SERU, exemption list. So you could be exempt as well. Yeah, so if you applied the application before, they're asking that TFL topographical assessment passed with the previous application. I'm a professional learner, tourist. I was previously licensed. Yeah, so if you have these ones, you can select that one. So click no, then just you go ahead. Have you applied for being licensed as a private hire taxi driver by TFL other license authority? If you have, then press yes. If you say no, then yeah, no. Yeah, other one they're asking for the medical declaration. Yeah, you should have a medical as well, then you can upload from there. If you exempt, they're asking say means why you exempt. You can say that you have PHV license, DVL Group 2 driver license, and active pilot license. So DVL Group 2 means if you have a lorry license, truck license, then yeah, if you click no, then you have to upload it the next stage. So the next option, 4th operator 22 HMRC, yeah. So check code, you just click yes. So click no if you have it, then click yes. They're asking for the if you have a license with any other council and you work more than a year, then you should provide the check code, otherwise you don't need it. Then you confirm, just save and continue. So here you can review your questions. If you're happy, then you carry on. Here just you have to read declaration, confirm, save and press next. Equal opportunity is up to you, no or yes. So a lot of people ask about the payment. You must select both, please. It's automatically is going to be select both, so you have to pay the £310. So yeah, so you're gonna put the card details here. So I'm gonna stop the video here. When you're gonna make the payment, then you'll be able to go back and you can see your applications over there. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, you can see my number. Try to please text me or send me audio. I will try to help you. Thank you so much. God bless you.